In this video, I will show you how to fix invalid credentials error on Instagram. If you're facing such error and you're not sure whether your username is wrong or your password is wrong, or if you have forgotten your password, then what you can do is simply click on forgot password. From here, put in the email address or your username linked with your account, then click on continue. Once you do that, you will get a message from Instagram in your Gmail. There you will find the prompt to reset your password. Simply click on the link, then click on reset password button. From there you can put in the new password and then confirm your new password. Then you can use that particular password that you just set to log in to your Instagram profile. And if even after that it is not functioning well, then what you can do is click and hold on to Instagram icon, then click on more features, then go to app info. From here go to storage uses, then make sure you clear cache of your device in this app. Then another thing that you can do is open up Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Here check if there is any update available. If there is, then it might be any glitches. So simply click on update app. Then once the app is updated, you can try opening Instagram. Use the correct credentials that you just set and it will start logging in. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.